Remove all residues of the old treatment by sanding the surface. Start with a coarse grit, e.g. grit 60 or 80, to easily remove the old application, and finish off scratch-free with an 80 or 100 grit. Do not sand higher. The smoother you sand, the less product can penetrate in the wood and the less intense the color and protection will be. Remove the sanding dust by using water and/or exterior wood cleaner. Allow the surface to dry completely. Tape off anything that should not be treated or splashed, including anything prone to overlap. Take the DuroGrit and stir well. When using several containers at one site, it is recommended to mix them for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil into a bucket. Now apply DuroGrit in a saturated manner to the surface with a brush suited for water-based products. Work in small sections of a few boards wide. Work in the direction of the wood installation. For vertically installed wood, this means from top to bottom. Always work in the full length, so never stop in the middle of a board. Always apply sufficient product and brush again afterwards to avoid start and stop and brush marks, and remember not to exert too much pressure on the brush. Always try to maintain a wet edge to avoid overlaps. Let it dry for about 3 hours. Complete curing takes place after approximately 3 days, depending on the weather conditions. Only work in frost-free and dry weather conditions. We recommend a yearly visual checkup just after winter season. You can clean dirt and green deposits with low-pressure water and a soft brush or exterior soap. If necessary, when you have colors that fade out, apply a maintenance coat according to the instructions.